Context, context, context. It's the difference between your reason for being, losing your reason when you get upset, reasoning through a problem, or giving a reason for something. My name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 1, number 35, which reads, as used in line 50, reason most nearly means. As soon as you see the word most nearly means, you know you have a vocabulary and context question. Best thing you could do is think of what the word means in context. You want to ignore any meaning of the word that you're familiar with, because the most common meaning will lead you to the wrong answer 3 to 4 times. Another thing that you could do is you could put each answer choice in place of the original word. And lastly, you could work backwards from your answers. Give your own context for each of those and see which best matches the passage. So let's look at the context in line 50. And in line 50, we see what this passage is about. It's about women's rights. And it starts with, and how can woman be expected to cooperate unless she know why she ought to be virtuous? Unless freedom strengthen her reason till she comprehend her duty and see in what manner it is connected with her real good. Notice what reasoning leads to. Her comprehending her duty, understanding. We need the type of reason that's going to lead to understanding. So when we go to the answer choices for number 35, we've got motive. Will motive lead to a woman understanding? No. Motive is connected to the word motivation, same root. And it's why you do something. Sanity, like being of sound mind, doesn't have to do with, it has something to do with understanding, but it's not a best fit here. Intellect, your mind, is really what has to do with your understanding and not an explanation, which would be outward rather than inward understanding or intellect. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with this type of a question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.